O petuni and a bamboa, no froba, o mamma tias, a call mamma, o mamma needs me forward because only need sexual relations. Yeah, but if she must say a buy into 2 years, or so shoving Mahono, it is your mother who has it, not your wife. Your wife is only there to pray for you so they are successful. You are relaxing. Your mother is there to see you succeed because you're doing your job. Now, the mother to send me on papa amre, but the wife is there having a seat. You could quite my radistra money, Yamaduma or contracting for us. Challenge it at us. Why you are rich, you are rich. When you tell your mother, see your dinner, may I say, I rather why you may you. I believe you or share some banner body you. None of you don't know the man should be you. But the woman as a wife and behind your back, we don't know what they do. It's a woman and start to swab on Hayamawa. Hey, it's dangerous.
You come up with me say behind every successful one there
is a woman. Listen, before a woman becomes a wife, she has been a mother. So if you are successful, it's either your mother or nobody.
Wow.
Once the woman live on or can say radin shramemma, or shrama cinnamon, it's essential. If the woman said she knew, no matter how you suffer in life, that blessings now will come to pass. The woman is only there to enjoy. So it is the woman's responsibility to see to it, say, or no shamema or this romo. So it's before the mother and sana oyiraba. The mother comes first in everything and son oyiraba. So maybe automatically why you curse. Or shram automatically why you bless. It means shram without the mother being the blessing before. Before you see a husband succeeding, you get to know that the blessing came directly from the mother. The wife is only adding now to the blessing. It's true some women are highly lucky, but without the mother's lack attached to Obama DNA, this woman can make you successful. At the end of the day, be a crowd, because of what you become who you are today. So if the relationship is ending, automatically you have to make sure you fall. But your mother, no matter how you hurt your mother, she will never want to see you fall. So if you are seeking for a blessing from a woman, go to your mother. No matter how painful she has hurt you, you can still go and attract blessings from them. Because of course, from that. But when you are baby now, we do pempen, so we now worry and no Jana and the previous man is over her. Even the current one wants to see you to go up. No, easy, no crown, talk us like a man, but the mother wants to see the son moving forward. Only reason we are. But when women we get into marriage, no man start to cost repair. We use an ex-wife, anytime you have money, be a cow better. I hope you better, but the mother will see the son and humble herself because my husband a bedroom pempen should be.
Mama kwaba eba nature servant afeye so idiane na at the kagaza emi se munni me dada ene de me kwa na menam ye wonu bebra ye mpa ho so mankyere mu ene ye da kofo kra ye be pa ho nyina ntuma kyere mu ise bi wo mu na se ohia bia na bomoden afre me pa cho ye nwa mema ye ba ho ye mema adu ye de ne nya de ufa ye se de purposely for a man kwa ye food tirim wadwenim kufu nase eye ohu adwuma emma watenka no so bosoro ne masade no se eswakrampa utimi di eye adwuma enti utimi no for sa o kwa adwuma pa utimi teki basa akono ne basa pese wo adwuma na wo boni yiye emma oba no eni hye emma ye nigye ewo ha yi so de ewura dem ma eno ane atoka kakra ubebu ede amaye na me so afobie fibroid eya ade a ha ya dream bebre fibroid into be power we fi bebre ni wonya awo no wawo ye wadru a ye mfa se kan town ebe melt fibroid ni bia mana ba bontin ama won so onya ye funu awoba fibroid da oba so a menu di adanse se na okunu mo pasan enye adwuma ono wonni fra no pa so nyumre ni saying me na say piemu kwa na ebetumi so ase ema ya himfie hu hia ye ai me nuama ahimfie no ehu hia ye pi so ohini ba himfie na sa himfie hu aye fi ana hoho ogbo ewura na sa himfie hu aye bia pani so beka so ba esima hunni wudi hu sisi ohu abonten no na inside the under canoe no get to ho no hu yi ho niema eho ntampe no hu twihiesie ewo se ho ye kuma na ohini bo wura ho a pie no kwa ye den ama no itimu nuama me wo hu so ye wo ho eno ane se obenunum bi de bi be ho ho eno ano no na so ohini bo wura himfie ho a niwe be fi ne chaw ɛwɔ ahemfie hɔ ɔkɔ a ɔbɛsan so ababiem na meka no menka sɛ wie yɛka ne sɛ bi a stroke wɔ stroke na nso mfie bebree ni tia na ɛba yɛ nkyɛn ɛde bosome mmienu bosome mmiɛnsa ɔba the nature servant ɔwɔ ho adwo yɛde tum sɛ ɛduro bebree wɔ system nim obi edi ɛduro ho adanse na mo a monim abaawa no monim ne nsa no adwuma na mo a monim no ɛnyɛ spiritual ɛyi nkwa no wɔyɛ physical so ka ho na ɛbɛyɛ a enipa no wosa ho yade wɔ huhu mu no na wosa honam ani ɛso ka ho enti sɛ wowɔ stroke na sada wɔ so akyɛ bebree sɛ wɔn nsa na ɛnyɛ adwuma anaa wɔn nan na ɛnyɛ adwuma ana wanu achim ana sɛ untumi kwan keka ho kora na uba na so yɛ so a ɔbɛhyew ama wanya ahoɔden ane na me sɛ babiem yɛfrɛ bibi te sɛ ɛma yɛwɔ candy gonorrhea syphilis yɛwɔ ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ ɛka ho bebree na ɛma mmarima mo mmarima yɛ no so kɔfɔm ɛka ho bebree so na yɛ mmaa yɛ mu no yɛahemfie no ɛkwan no yɛ kɛseɛ sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ahemfie no ka kyem ketekete na wosɛ mogya ne mu so yɛawerɛ firi hɔ a woba the nature servant hɔ a ɔno yɛ herbs ɛnyɛ aborɔfo duro yɛha hama ya no wakɔ nwuram okɔfa yɛ mu tuu no akɔtete na wɔde ayɛ aduro ɛde ahyɛ yɛn ɛne yade ɛkeka ho a yɛ modi yade bi wɔ hɔ a yɛntumi modi wɔ hɔ sɛ wowɔ saa yadeɛ no nyinaa no sɛ wopɛ aduro a ɛbɛtumi ahene ntatahye a woba the nature servant aso yɛ so a wo nsa bɛka no screen a wohyɛ no numbers no egu so mepa akyɛ bɔ mmɔden na peke ne frɛ aduro no mfa ho no baabi a wowɔ sɛ ɔwɔ aburokyire sɛ ɔwɔ African countries bia sɛ ɔwɔ Ghana ha sei baby uwo bia delivery fi adwuma ye be send ya na medam ase tafofo ye be share
Yeah, we shall come on course na monto ade mo ye no so nyame onhyia mo onyam kase nyam pon bo mo tim to bando no e de hwe so style maye no onja san nyam pon no onko so aso nsira mo yen so de ye ka chen se yin ja mo chidida e be ko so aso mo so pa nti ndu ne bi nso abo subscribe maye share man ne bi nso san ka bi comment section na wo no se asim bi se bi wo no man timi am bisa na odi ato onyan se mbisa nkwan so aboso bi obetin di ato ma baba oda nso so nya testimony a ene ye bi tun ato eya afato comment section ho na nua bi nso nya se nkwan sesem no emfa entu na ho so betia bi hu maami afi nya se ka mo se abo no mba ne daase no wodi ase obefa emu bia fa ofre na obehwehwe obetie na mmom dia o kan se ofre bi se maami ehin fa na owo me ba ho na waba na sheye na mji so bi insha so afi so mo akwantu yentwa mo njai bomodi an se WhatsApp number no mo ne ya ne de ton ka tefro o se mo nja voice note wo akwantu ma da voice note because we ma so na ya na edin na emepon wa reply wo na wa kire ne ye se bia oje ni phone die e be yo dia mama
papa
ne bia bokodi
na ho pon adum
mi se Ghana man ni yaseman e da wase papa
yes da nya me de
nyampon wo shirawo shira mem onem si nyampon kai wo se me shira mem
mary so shira no mem
yes ne wa ye ablabo so mary mai nyampon nya sadodo ni Jesus no how do I get me on to condemn na no bi nyina mama jabo achi se ye ba sisi ya na ye wa asembi ene de nam nti de nka medi kama odi ani di ama nkofo ya na se ya na one so de
medase
ya ni ato enkomo no so
medase jabo achi nya menhia o menhia kase edi kan ekoma miku Reverend Kelvin can come medana say at least
one of the moment
so for Reverend na yire a spiritual person I no be friend with you from say me bru di for no so because me ya paye enti no aseda kase na nchia kase koma no ene na busia sabi said ya wutie bia no abusie bi je osa na wa fa ne so mo de yesa so yetim sa ti ya de nchira kase efe ogbade eja ho de mom se waye na dom na menye kuna otema so se de ametie de to so mienu koma me cherished and beautiful subscribers say eye munso mumua na ama your channels ye dreche and ama na nature servants obi timi din fi amanone abrofo me na efre mi o abrofo de o de bar ha de be chon yentime nka hwe nti a mo de number na mo mama cha mo say o be translate ya mo mo ti me chia mo nyina mechia ye bra penny say tapia my Yvonne me mama Dorcas mechia mo doson if I should mention names there are so many mechia mo nyina emfa hone baby a owo wadwuma bi a person the brain nature servant what the banner you within my powers I'll tell you me ntime nye so a meka kiro me nya adwuma wo phone so wo frɛ me say wo be say me nya adwuma wo phone so ma wa bra wo Ghana ha de a wo be say bia me fa wo me fi ukura na ye nuanu mo akwantuo mu a o makwan mu no aye tenten na enema bi sisi a obra ye de no o mo na ya tie de ye Christ si ho a sacrifice e mo na wo Ghana na ka chen se o Accra Kumasi wa obi fi Cote d'Ivoire eba
yes
what I say obi fi Nigeria eba it doesn't matter where you are eba so there is no boundary.
Canada ni.
See, we are here for you. We are going to Mudia. I can sacrifice for you. It's in Chaka, see, I'm coming, and I must say,
you when I bought no. Or since Chaka, Yamin Sram one near yet the woman, my Yamin Sram, Uncle Swan Tremushim. Say be a vocal association about you, Nick and the MSC. Who feel before you will be there.
Yes, okay.
You're from them, so for about now. Let me say, ultimately, you can interview teacher, American interview. Over to we say, only in that. They did only a year, could they be a more fancy when we're in dialect. Now, walk interview now, around 5 years. Na mesi me so no about that ma indale o na de china de kudin bazi ho e me say hey ma me na susu mo no kire bi sa ti si ba ni ya na
oh ya so for na say o your comfort because Bible speaks against obi a wona na yere ada wan yare na odi pia bonten Quran speaks against obi a ona oba akohiem ada na one ten ho a comfort speaks against obia oni oba hiem na one dwira ne ho you nature servant I highly speak against obema oni oba da na one ten ho obofo kro ma yedi o chirade ebon
na me fe ko
unto your question
fam ko
I have no America some chirobia, may the canokre. Whoever did that video, me them share him. Let me tell you, into me di a tro and tintin and canokwa someone is hindered spiritually. It takes spiritual eye to see and deceive nipa. Oba ekratu. Whether it is bad luck or good luck is to me. Enti sawa ye wo yere, sawa ye wo mpena, ekratu. And it's a winner, no matter how faithful you are with your wife, she might not even be faithful to you. There will never be on fun and you down, so you don't go away. And so you was a little Jim, fun a cheap damn and then a little bonnet, and so you'll be an hour day, a full cheap. No matter how faithful you are, God fearing you are. No matter the class of person you are, only obey the da. We are brushing. What's all?
I know you lack it up each.
I never lack it. I was only about them.
Or say a lack or carbon in the man 5 years.
No. It's never true. It's not like this. What happens is, so one casana will know about Nakodano. One, so we want to say, oh, okay, me no me nada. Akosia, na me ma dunu. No china. We sorry na ye ho ama asem a. Me ko interview no. From parable time
also jolly.
Now, only na bibi awia obete wo ho. What you say? Na obama tene ho aware for the before humanity na ehu say no ye holy.
Wow.
Before you nation ye hu aware for be ehu so mo ho tintina. Jomani ba bi ni jomani be ma bi ti aware sorry them as married man and married woman. Omoji communion just to pretend, just to deceive the public. Wow. But between them, no, between them, between them, but between them, they know what they have done in secret. You cannot even trust your husband spiritually, and you cannot trust your wife spiritually. You should rather trust your mother.
Wow.
Our anything. So can say for a chirako trim penana or they will have suspicion without evidence.
Also, obi fine janen and chenobe who number
opportunity and a bamboa. Me froba o ma meti ase akọ ma me ho papa o ma me ntimi forward because only need sexual relations bia but if na so na ye den e ba ye ntitumi a o hwehwe film ma ho no it is your mother who has it not your wife. Your wife is only there to pray for you so that successful. Wow. No relax.
Wow.
Your mother is there to see you succeed. Wow. Because obi we jaw na ni chi ma beto se me omo papa amre.
Wow.
But the wife is there having a seat, you could quite my adversary man Yamadona or qua contracting for boss chale. Sit at us, why we are rich. But when you tell your mother, see your dinner, may I say, I rather why you may buy ye. And I bit me see fears and man, it's coming iron. When I have brown so dear me, fear me. I believe or share some a banner body ye. None of you remember man's ready ye. But the woman as a wife and a behind your back, you don't know what they do. It's a woman and start to swab on Paya Mawa. Hey, it's dangerous.
One minute, you come up with me say behind every successful one
there is a woman.
And yet, or you don't know.
Listen, before a woman becomes a wife, you know, she has been a mother.
Okay.
So if you are successful, it's either your mother or nobody.
Wow. So
Uka said there is a woman behind every successful man, whether the woman is alive or dead. You know. Once the woman lived on or can say radin shramemma, on shrama sinemumma. It is essential if the woman said it genuinely, no matter how you suffer in life, you know, that blessings now will come to pass. The woman is only there to enjoy. So it is the woman's responsibility to see to it, say, or no shame or this romo.
Yeah.
So it's before the mother and sana Oyiraba. The mother comes first in everything and son Oyiraba. So maybe automatically why you curse.
Wow.
Well, automatically why you blessed. It means without the mother being the blessing before. Before you see a husband succeeding, you know, you get to know that the blessing came directly from the mother. The wife is only adding up to the blessing. It's true some women are highly lucky, but without the mother's luck attached to Obama DNA, this woman can make you successful at the end of the day. Be a crowd, the other side work because of what you say, no, and then it's not sana you become who you are today. So so if the relationship is ending, automatically you have to make sure you fall. But your mother, no matter how you hurt your mother, she will never want to see you fall. So if you are seeking for a blessing from a woman, go to your mother.
Wow.
No matter how painful she has hurt you, you can still go and attract blessings from them. Because from that. But when you are baby tina worry pen so be now worry na worry biom. Now Jana and the prayers na so be from. Even the current one wants to see you to go up. No. Tizi no krano. What you say? Me talk as a man, but the mother wants to see the son moving forward. Wabra only reason be our home. But when women we get into marriage, not be man start to cost rope. We use an ex-wife, an ex-girl. Anytime they be woman, be a kawa betre. A honey be Betty, but the mother will see the son and humble herself because my husband a burden pen so be. What you say? Me believe said there is a wife before the man became successful. There was a mother before the son became successful. So before the son became successful, the mother prayed for the son. I'm not sure how did you become successful. There was somebody who took care of you, and she stood in as a mother. And even though now couldn't show dear son, spiritually no or standing as a mother, and wherever your mother is, whether say you so or tears no connected to the spirit. And when they bless you, it is called blessing.
Wow.
What I say?
Wow. So
me look and say about na show power mo kuna the what of is if why successful because of them Mishra? And I'm even the just the slightest blessings what you say? So we can worship our wives, we not as in worship and leaving God behind. We can praise them, we can cherish them, we can love them, but we do not make them our God.
Wow.
Our mothers are our God. No matter how weak my mom may be, me who say we shira me. As I always say, say me na shira me kunu, and say na me ko shira me kunu. I never do my husband. But catch him say, "Ben me be a be wari me be a one year shira." The old lady took care of me. Fitting in color brim. We shira me kunu. Instead of so be shira me no. Catch him say, "Me ben me be a be wari me be a no." One year shira, and automatically so me jitu munti aye shira. What you say? So there has always been a mother before the wife. If you're a wife and you think, say, one thing I would here, go back spiritually and see, said that this man, that the mother prayed for her. No matter where she in the world. If yes, then you get to know, so you are even not nowhere close to that blessing. What you say?
Wow. Me come my tomb and then one might say the Mother's Day a trendy thing for days.
Of course.
Because say Obabe can crazy no a yana unta inya. Na momo dia some subscribe mo share na conversation on mami nyasem mo we comment nyanyasem mo. Because mama na what can you name no osanso ka asem bi. No for or say oyere dey enough egu so no shira wo na no so ya na lakum
bia wote so bi to bi fun wantie ne ye represent akwala bia wonu mu ma me no fuda you are blessed it is so shira we be shira odome e bedome enti se odwuma na wo kope e na wo kai oh auntie bi na what is saying oh okay ade a che oba me kwa adwuma o ene me yire mo mpa ye ma me na me nyankunimdie. You see, say the woman will tell you, say, "Nyame fa wo komra me dua sumdwe no." Bia wo hwehwe bia anya ho, oyrebeka me bompai, ene na wo sumdwe, wo kwakodi kunim, na wo sika, na fotoka. The woman will pray according to the wishes, but the mother will pray according to how they want to see you. What you say? And answer na beka so yere fa na enu funto utiri so bompai ma me, wo ma me de ni futu utiri so bompai ma o. Enti na breastfeed fi ni ho. Enti na wo fa na se. Enti na fa wo bo kokoso. Wo fi bu ne so wan pa wan tete o. Wo ja wo na bu ne so wan ha. Wo odidi yes wo benu wo didi na aba kona ultimate pepa ultimate ntwa wo didi na wa pepa all this. Your mother went through all this. Your wife is only enjoying the better part of you today. So all these things he was referring to a mother, not a wife. Enti be biti mete ho na ya ka ne say kwa umma me ho na onhyiraw. Agise de ya ware a oba no de akomapa odopa adwenfan na wo betena ye na wo de na ye te say bola na watete no eno de the mother spirit will step aside because spiritually the law of nature is there. Spiritually, the spirit of your mother that is behind you will step aside, and this woman out of an aggressiveness, the spirit will fight you. And then it's so about Bonia na obenyano. What you say? You understand? So bar. She's also going to become a mother, and Sankalani the few so automatically no the other year sure na me nche hono odome we be kan kura no ntimi yesi be ma fo oba endome no ade oni ni niba nti oni ni niba de otime dome no kai hu say wo ni abe ma so no so ko ye obi ade a obedome no yeah, so it's all about forgiveness.
Yeah, okay. No akanin na ni aye forgiveness baba nyame onhira wo
amen
nyame onhira wo em say da bia enu hia obi ya dwenim ye kura na ye na ye ba no obi ya dwenim you say the offense so when the wanya na ye say ka so ma me tia sia what say tia ma me na bomodin a opani e na bo ade to ko hwe ne pa na chow because bia na wo contract na wonya no e yo ma me ane ne atwuma so sa ne be you bia no o be you kura na ja bwachi ya me chiche ye no I want to copy fee. What would you do about it? What do you know? Sir, we are not chichen now. Who say we be by for? No ma free ho buy. Maybe a chamono or both for being a war or baby and on your bay for no crowd good spirit in a war and I bet we are seen a big team and you bet general. I'm not there home at you tempting. I remember mother before baby I will not find their weapon home. The only thing to do is to fight the law and win until you love them back. Wow. To pay off the debt to be not a war spiritually, no, you pay it off. So no matter how rich or wizard my parents are,
I cherish them. So I said I'm party. Oh no, what's the name of Congo? So ma. Me kase Bia, he's there for me, and my mother is always there for me. And for her, they can be rejected by many people, but my love overcomes everything. Wow. No matter how they are. Sweetheart, the best to do, say you clothe them, you fence for them, you feed them. Then what pay baby palm or my then atina. Now one more money actually. What beside be no yamana, canaboko or dosso, when you be a former, and sans, eh, be another composer, and chenua woo, no matter. So by floor, we shall yet then, because what at the Pacraman on one quite ye be as on crash it. What I said, the better welcome. The other kind of say, I'm about on to my baby. If you mean so, to have fair than ever, so when she ran up the old year. Now, what now, I'm not really big union, so the baby bonnet, so never. So love conquers these witches. They can't do anything to you when you love them.
What's your dog? Mom, let's not do none of dog.
When you love them, they can't do anything.
When you are a dream, I was say, Mammy, you're more temple near pages you, or say pages you, because in some passino. Or fa yen kan okwe mommy and funny thing is say baby chinchina ma isi an bu on ma ne mame o wala sana wo ka chen say bra bia no ne mame ne ba chi de bra ne ye ne mame na opon say ne o
mame ne nye no on funny isi from
the mame tibia say so also call that so penasi
sa
yeah
ti mame na ate ne ka mu ana ne ti kwaye dudu ni tie koto no anka sa wo bu ne ho fo until they become inactive. What you say? What they know, shepherd be out the show. Mono said your pampa mono. Mentaba therefore want me to because your love overcomes them. So they be a high a soon couldn't. It's really say when me call my cover be answer. Yes, me mama me about into me yet there. Man, really she had a codono. Ya chiche mame for no de no no ya chiche wo me no so wo me a wonya ya no no ya chiche jafo no wo share wonya ntimi ko fo bi mame nya wo de da oboa because a fruma no na ekasa na bole cord no na ekasa ene na eche se wo chia de free na fruma no na ye ben e baaye so you can just love them unconditionally ma fufuru hu se wo ye bai fo kra wo portion obi ko no nye beye na hu na se bi anko ye fe what you say yes cafe ye teacher mo din ba ko kra ma me by fool ni we fool ya bre ya so na ya survive no because of duku bi a obode kwa kire so fo no hu bi a ye kire so fo nti ra no hu ma me na wo se ma me wow so fo ne kra nka se nim say ono a so fo so ma me ye by fool so fo ma me kra da be chen ma me o hu bi ma me ye by fool sikani ma me ye okay na me abra me ti hey me na cha se ba to bo ma me be ye be ka hin se what a whole legend me fear him na fregu so because ya we you know me a whole me free
and I wish I so that
what you say so no one can condemn their mothers no matter how difficult dangerous they are love conquers everything it's be say should be see a high the pia should see na so high pia ekata esumne su nyina ma han no ye hu no nti dama na ohihye ne yesiesie ne hu ye be hu se ma ne hu be start ye fe na obi ho a ne ma me si nyina tutu e artificial teeth aba obi tia ko hihye bi ma no na siesie ne hu pari gibi e fa fa hye ne na fa le pie na ka se ma me ye be fe be so bi be wasom ba wo jale tantan o ti dan tuo ni mu no wo ni aduane pani na wa wrinkle ni nti no it is believed to say obi ahụ ye tan a o ye be ifo
oheni
ba to I by four.
Mammy, Stanford House not tonight.
Yeah.
It's in the baby and to me to assassin for the basis. Baby,
sir.
Now, who's also what a whoopee,
sir.
And she said, Mamma Cano, and say, Mother, ever give her about between that time before. She says every day, but for another is the put the toast start. No more being so certain if you say, and some women are Cano, opening, and you're eating Shida or your mammy Shida and about Cano. Because Obana betu confused and about us, and no so we have 40 cars and we shall. It is the last 40 years past no one and another was mamma, and mammy king. It's Bomodia happening, a couple of minutes show. Obata kwa mama so yana ofu mama kwa yana
kotokwa se David so sorry kwa mama chow me ba no me ntimi tu muda enya hwe no wa manaka but akoya ya obo
wale ofan ma ko
me na be me sa no afa na be pa me che o ma me will not do that. This show said the mother's love is greater than the wife's love.
Yeah.
What you say? And my me can say me sa ware na your counselor na a case for you be chire me.
About room now say you dey dey ma dey need this.
Of course.
Na ya bra bo bitimi akonkan ni tumpon a the mami ya ken. Fa number no. Na say bi kwa hu kwa fa so ko mama ko pa twa ba na obecho omo akwankyere no. Obecho dem ko ye mama me no. Na mama ya na ba ho so muslim no bi won mo ba nchin ya. O si o fa mama me bra. Won ma mo so abebo si abasi ko fa mama me bra. Which was it over no then my bucket baby for mama be.
Oh yeah, for say o be ka say ni mama ye be so. O bedru ho wi a me say da wo mama ase. Na why sing na na me ewu.
O for mama bra.
Na maka chen say bambo da me so. But me pese me hu mama ansa. O ba me say koto da wo mama ase. Awo mere bi say apaye bi ayi ma obo se hame e twa ba ne ho hia na abrantie nti koto na na me awu ne gina ho me yira ka kire me se o ma me ye baifuo enti sese ma me ba gate ya no crowd ne saka ho a electric shop
be ko ni be bi o me so fi ko ma
o mo ma me nim ho nso mo ma ne no chop money be ko eno kra mbu nya me na ya adom ne ye bi ko. Mothers are the spirit we have behind us.
Wow. And what they can na your door boss engage mama tiase bia o tiase maninya so fa so but after can o say ono on top protman mama ngina so a so o mama be upa de on tiase is also top protman mama nya ngina so say ye mama obre me ho won so fa bi ko abra ne ma fa papa e me nta friend mama na afutu enti no we say
friend
be friend no
best friend no first love no
me ye echia o me chia officer and about me at no matter say behind the young plano and then ye or ye no a young mammy no muslim chrono if you call ma or see chow channel and the trainer back
you could to make pie yes half of pump na pie a big to make cajun so channel mothers go through hell until your bar so no worry now all stop your mother-in-law from coming to the summer you know chill kauma and you remember yobi and I'm na me tu aka pepepe ahwa e be no gare no kwa ye de bi beka ho na tu because obi wo a tete awo no ye twa ye de sekan yo na ye twa na ku twa na junso twa no ye se ya tena se na twa na junso twa no ansa na ya san apam en twa na junso twa na akoka na tokwan a oja na na they have gone through so be a kadia or one a body of firm one pempo sa wo yere ana wo pena be ka se tie wo ma me da
Ofalumba onyo dia de unumba ku betwa.
O de ya ba no ma bisa me ma me auntie bibisa no me history obeka etemu obebo date die si ye no dia ye ne nyina obebo nti oti ama wa moa.
Wow.
Nti o ntwasa kwambede no. What you say? I am who I am because of me ma no kufa we mi na me kra no. Me ma na me tolerate no me ma me famu etena se ade wo me awo J5 na me the amount. What you say? We love them. Without mama no nka you wouldn't be saying say before or you will yanka wa no so wakaka bensem papa ena wa homa so ba pa wo fese den ho nya feche mama e wo
yeah na me be na so say monopause no say monopause no so
na ya be
no say edu on ma say ya no mo
so wo na te
enti no wo ko dwene monopause wa fe na de na sem bi obeka no
o for na gro for no normal why for the normal because it will get to a time I also know no person no bear their chain. And your children are going to treat you just the way you treated your mother. Papa.
Ofa, miniaba, me wafa, miniaba me seramo. Fa number mu bi afra bawa. Emi se wuntimi nkwa ba ne ntin a, obeche no so ye. Na so ma me nso ntia senso a, obo okoma ma hwe na ma me na wukura mpo ne.
No asantona. Tu ibi enu afọ obeba
me ma wadon fi kan se chense o ye boni mi no kodam ne na fu nya me kwa me kama ya nko prison honom ba o se ma me die de bia se ye
visiting dey no
ono so expect na ma me fi akura se
no duru
ho o se enti o ye no so de educate e choba bonten wate Mama so twen o mama no o si on mix 1 minute kra he say please don't go from mama yonko
so what you say
bia mama ne dey
ehia no so ntime nto ne ba na hwe
o yire o so se ne yire no
wa ware foforo
sa enti
na wo ti fie kra wo kwa adwuma ba wo fa wachi
edrum na wo se yensan ko yachi ma me fo mo ye ba ye no me de se de mama ti ene Mother's Day ne be ko so edi as Father's Day because a bad time no ya na edru edrin ena mama de ya na ya re won se won se so obedum pepen so bia won timi wu biem ya kan se ne mane na no be ba ne nchen ne mu be ma de unya 78 kra na unya ko so
sa utime na nante
boba na akoka tim
sa ya se won je ne nana no me enko adwuma mun ko mo grandma ho no ko what ya say papa ko pay girls ama me nso yen so yen fama me mo yen pana no na yen so yen hwe ma me mo offer from ma me na wate na chia because abawa me ati ase se wo yedie no ifro no ne so wate ase nti bo modern so bend sa na fi share ka mo bi nse mo modern ase be subscribe mo furo na mo share na mo nkoswa testimony nso no about testimony ya mo fo bi ntu na nua bi nyankwa I think say me na my star eyo bi be fo say e manifo na eye
manifo but do say ko na mo masafi so
me invite the program awa boka o
mo dia so be share na wo testimony nso ato na fi so e ka mo say about temple no o si simi kasa about temple dia also to ma si mami ni we bi ma ne tena bi ade oba obinyu bi atan we hia no one on one no ti akobọ mpaye no ti anya oje ne fa hodie momodi han so fa no man bi afis na me say ka mama ma won so le nso nkosa akwa efutu bei eni akwanchire bei so bi won ma wa kaseti an ma me kwan bi so o ti an ma me fa hodie so ade na bi just any pay
Mada semere kwa ho me ana me ma teaching see but I'm so emotional mama ka asem nche me ni aba me ni abema so we omo aye wo mo 80 remember de bana you dare not hate your mother you will 80 now when you 40 41 42 43 you dare not hate your mother because that time no na ye owu kwankwa na o ma me ko di line mu o peton brown abre no me ye bro no so we didi enti o ma kwa me ye bo na so no we jeton brown no wa be kama say ye wo that time na be pim that time ye wo mu ya o ma me ye wunya me because na that time no na bi afa na wanye mo kwa na wo right because akomo si think it was you to do now pro no quality but was in no way need me from in san calculate no woman not wa fair come just she any so be kono na be na bere soko be twa be na be fia be ya be nkwan enyanam na wo beji de wudi beji na omodi san niema men kan sia ne san share sweetheart yet me niema bi said I walk me I am very serious say afuto we me hu here we buy your 58 you know let see 2000 let your mother be your god
wow
because all every right sata me ma say na tom ma me kura o say e ko wo me nyan so bi e da me chi oku bi wo me chi anka ya fa me ko yi nan so o no kom de no ba to me yan fa me yanko sata me ma brofo no etom ma yanke to ya wo mo ketenkete no ya de mo ko ne ya ko training mu into pure slavery and so am fa me am anti bi baby wo piano me shano enti baby o ma ni wo piano se we 58 sa mama kan tro na options baby say ida so be yi wagu ida so be ja life am no wato atwe baby no apre ne nkwa because ata me na me no baby dwane ejo mo dem ko Nigeria ebi etetre ne pam o mo so obi anko ni krom ya se afia na monko e na omo baaye omo ba nso mo de o nsa pa ne papa de so oba no ko si chire 3 caps hwenka ho o de si chire na esa abere na yere that time no but my mother stood in as a mother for us sanso no ma me so chire mu ma o se na enti na so wo fumu wo kwan mi so when timi am for one school said am ti we abawam yam for me on school na me kai time I was sacrificing na nije e de mame say ma wo de le fa ho de to ho e ma me mi nya nkwa na me I am forever indebted to her not my father what you say so let's love them just the way we are millennium babies no there's some that you can't say. If some milk, lactogen. So one story, you don't have problem. But those from 80s, maybe do millennium, we know what we've been through with our mothers. A bit the women say, not on my way for your near Mokapa, your dog for us. You are near Befield. So what do you have against your mother? Wow. You have no evidence. Sometimes out of bitterness, they speak a lot. And even when that happens, love conquers everything. Wow. All we need to do is to love them unconditionally. Number one say.
And about can also penny Jariana in show after or see the Hiani or dog. Me say, Obekoswa, the odo, and no mammy, Atina. And Yamisu in show we are commoding also say about no man Befabi. No machine a child pine. Who are going to more say for WhatsApp number near voice note, but also now on reply. Nothing so Ghana baby, the Africa baby, the Bomonia say, brave and a child pine. It's a man for free in Chile, ma, a binya testimony. What Ghana has said, the mover. Opening baby and wow, oh, how on the Yape solution. What time I think you feel no now in Saint but 2 1 or more. Mama, now we are dear Castle Quamdiana to Sushim. You call young poor Bonnie as a good baby, no one as usual. I tell Montoons not that, and Montoon call so they free with the original gate and offer cannon. And let's just yeah. May yes now be actually be nominated the 205. I could be the free bodyguard, a back room, also not next, a young bar, Baysian, but some ban enough no business catch any say. Baby, I walk on. Over than me, Panaba, over double thing. So I say, a male a dining one, what the over than name with them, Pambano. Without one thing. Wait, dear, is no woman and no banner by. When we read the one in sweet Tim was Kai, Babam Kudika, and never find any. A branch also Piabon to call dim runners. Nemo Sena, Nanamun Tuna, or 2 bars on the ensure Tommy Piano, or Piano one or never 3 so much woman the end and then until shooting. And then you're saying a minute, say your band up, and a minute until shooting many soon boom here. Eh, yes, 75 news here, they hear me. It took pure quality of photos open, maybe the cup with him. Ah, hey, 7 maybe so open no piano canal from the Atlantic shoot to ye fana. Oh, I say, medium be sure down for the cinema lanity intermediate member me this or pure cinema. Baby, I do think over to the neck. Mama will be at night. And sometimes I'm no moon too long. Oh, I'm and then on your full house nine. I'm not for another moon. I found a plan and chance. I've done one family man. And to me, other four. May carry us young crime. Baby, I will be a phenomenal. But I about need you on the moon too. No, now, dear. And if I would be a baby. What did I say? Because no share, no, I do be so sad. Or documentation, no, a better war. It was really that's a name. You watch it, be shaving. That's